We're heading out for what's supposed to be date night.
What time? We'll do that later. Alright, let's go.
Damn, I'm getting married. And my birthday is in about 4 days. So there's quite a lot happening at this point. My sister had a baby. I'm relocating, I'm moving to Canada. If you haven't already seen this video, please check it out. This is my 6 months-ish month update for moving back to Nigeria. I can't really say that I moved back to Nigeria because I'm in England at the moment and I haven't been in Nigeria for 4 months. I've been away for a while. Life just happened crazy. Did I add weight? I think I actually added a little bit of weight. Wedding planning is not something that anybody can prepare you for. It's sort of an exam where it's an open book exam. Going to wedding planning with a very open mind. I know there's a lot of serere on, you know, my dream wedding, making your dreams come true. But the truth is that so these planners are saying, giving you the same brief they're giving to everybody. And I'm sort of a selfish person in the sense that, you know, if you're going to be working with me, closer with me, all your attention needs to be on me. Even if you have multiple clients, I don't want to have to feel like I know that you have multiple clients. Do you know what I'm saying? How gorgeous is this? Pulls me deeper, 6 feet under, storm and thunder, and I feel like that's so